How to upgrade on Air Tahiti Nui. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upgrade on Air Tahiti Nui. So how do you upgrade? The first step is to open a new tab and then type out Air Tahiti Nui upgrade bid. Alright, and then we brought this page. So on the page, you can see airtahitinui.com. So select the first option here. So once you're on the upgrade page, scroll up. Alright, then you can see the benefits of upgrading with Air Tahiti Nui. So once you can see all of this, you would have to check if you are eligible for an upgrade first of all. So how do you check if you are eligible for an upgrade? Move to the right side here and then click on test your eligibility for an upgrade here. And then once your eligibility is confirmed, you can bid on this page 6 hours period to your flight departure. All right, you can bid 6 hours to your flight departure. Okay, so you can bid for an upgrade to either Mohana premium economy or premium economy classes. And then once you've done that, you would need to set your desired bid amount within the specified range. So if your bid is successful, you'll be notified by email up to 5 hours before your departure, depending on when you made the bid, and then the corresponding amount will be debited from your account. So alright, so present the upgrade confirmation at the airport check-in counter to enjoy your upgraded travel experience. So in order for you to upgrade on Air Tahiti Nui, you have to bid, right? So just visit this page, check your eligibility, follow the prompts in your email, and then you would be able to bid successfully. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.